What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back at it with another banger, man. And in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to make a West Coast type beat, man, on FL Studio Mobile. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you won't miss out on no bangers, man. But hey, we gonna, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna make this short and sweet, you feel me? And then we gonna rock out, man. Let's get into this video. I'm about to duplicate this probably. Alright, I'm about to do, alright, so I just duplicated the little cavern sound and then with another synth sound, and this is how it came out. Alright, I'm finna just throw a little tape delay on there, so. All right, now that we got the melody out the way, I'm gonna add the drums, so let's get into it. Hey man, say man, but that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all learned a thing or two. If you would like to buy this beat, man, DM me on Instagram at official.curdybo, man. The link is in the description down below, man. I'll sell this beat to you right now at $25, man. No lease, nothing, man. Psych, 35. I need 35, man. No, I'm just playing. But hey man, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on no bangers, man. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out. Peace.